So very another interesting thing that we're going to show you here is obviously for the road safety, and this is what we have. This whole thing is from the Econ system, and yes, it is done for Qualcomm. And what is the basic idea of this whole thing? This is a vision kit that has been developed by Econ system and powered by Qualcomm, and you can see that these are the kits. These are actually small cameras that will keep an eye on the driver whatsoever vehicle that he's driving. It could be a car or a bus or whatever, and you see the output here. Basically, what does it do? Well, it keeps an eye on the driver and keeps reading the vision if the driver actually has the focus on the road or not. His vision is not, going hereby, so that there is some issue, then it kind of alerts the end user to actually take the action accordingly. Also, if the driver is dizzy, he's not able to drive properly, these are the a kind of eyes is what we can call, that's called the vision basically, that keeps the vision of the driver tapped all through while he's driving, so that one gets to know if he's dizzy or he's not keeping focus on the road, is to avoid any accident that might happen on the road. So this is the software that we've developed for road safety, a very good one that would actually help for the end users if they have any driver, and they could probably fix these vision kits in their use, and obviously will avoid accidents on the road. So yeah, that's the whole setup that you get here. And this is the screen that you see here, and if I stand straight, and you could see if I am the driver, I'm looking at the vision, you could see that green dot that actually focuses, reads that the software is made in a way that it actually tells the end user if there's a problem in the vision or there's any dizziness. So that's the screen, and that's what you get to know, the green lines that you see, all for the race safety, and a good software that's going to be helpful for quite a many there.